Yeah, this bike left me stranded, and it wasn't the battery. So I ran out and got a brand new battery, replaced it, and I still had the same problem. And this means things can get really expensive really quickly. So I did figure it out, but getting here was not straightforward. So this is where most people, including myself, go wrong. And this is where you might waste a whole lot of money. It's not charging at all. It should be reading around 13.8 to 14.5 volts. So after running around, getting another battery, I came to inspect this connector, and it's clearly the issue. These wires are burnt out. So I went to the automotive shop, and they've supplied me with this plug, which is rated to 100 volts and 20 amps. So we're going to install that. Let's take off. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Tell me I've got it the right way around. Holy moly. We're done.